Alright, this is a big lot of Barber hones that I'm going to go through really quick right now. They all need a lap and they all need a surface condition. None of them are worked on in any way by me. This is an oh so easy. Needs a lap, needs a surface condition. This is, hold on, I think it's an apart. Yes, this is an apart hone for razors, instruments, and surgical steel tools, fine steel tools. It's an apart, needs a lap, needs a surface condition. This is one that's called standard. Kind of feels like the oh so easy, maybe in a little bit better shape. Needs a lap, needs a surface condition. This is an AM non-filling amalgamite, non-corrodable, non-everything, non-intact is also what it is, unfortunately, but I mean, if you lap one side and roll it out, you could certainly use this Barber hone. This used to have a label. I think this is one of those French style Barber hones that stinks like fireworks when you lap it, but I could be wrong because I have not lapped it. Used to have a label. The label has disintegrated. Might be one of those French style Barber hones. 3-line suede. Two-line suede. Big block of nothingness. I don't know what this is. Barber hone of unknown origin. Feels similarly fine to the rest. This is an alright. Whether or not it's alright, I don't know, because I have not lapped, chamfered, and tried this, but it seems to be in that suede, oh so easy vein of things. And this is a Barber's razor hone. Pretty unexciting name. For not that exciting of a stone. Anyway, so there you go. So it's total 3. This one's quite heavy, actually. 4, 5, 6. Let's see, apart 7. Oh so easy. Maybe a French. Amalgamite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count that as a half of a stone. 8.5 stones. Big old lot of Barber hones. Don't have time to deal with these things right now. I thank you.